Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I create my base only using a concealer. So please watch till end. If you like my video, please comment and subscribe my channel. Okay. So right now I'm starting with concealer. Concealer I will take Swiss Beauty. Only for Swiss Beauty. So first of all, I'm applying only my eyes. I have done my CTM. Guys, where I teach you foundation and concealer full tutorial. So you can check. If you want to do, you can check. So I'm using here concealer. It's full coverage concealer and budget friendly concealer. So you, if you want to take, you purchase it. Your pocket don't allow. So you can purchase. I will take beauty blender. It's very soft and like very cutie. So I'm using here I'm blending this one part. Nice. Whenever we decide, I can do it now, but never I doing that things. Every day I think I learn to you and it like something new, but I don't get time. Blending only dab dab. Don't drag like this. Don't never to do. Only blend dab dab. Do you know it's very light concealer from my skin? No problem. Now we doing corrector and concealer applying contour. It's balance. It will be balance. I'm using here dark color concealer for contour base because my base is very fair. So I'm doing only never worried about your base. If base will be light, then after it's conceal your face. It's balance. You can see, guys. Was now it's balance. I don't want much fair skin. I don't like much fair skin and base much fair. Too much fair. So you can see my base. Now I am using blush. It's my favorite part. Blushing my face. Then now we are applying highlighter. Right now it's highlighter turn. Guys, whenever you do office wear makeup, very light makeup, day makeup you can do. So that time don't use much more heavy base. Don't use layering of your skin and don't use much more powders because it's dewy finish. You want dewy finish, so that time don't use loose powder. That time only use compact. Okay, so I'm not use much more powdery base. I'm doing here only very light finish and dewy base. You can see, guys. Truly, I love it. It's very. Now I'm applying here and using her lipstick. Lipstick. This is my favorite part, guys. I want to. I like it when I do makeup. Now, tell me please in comment box which color I will be applying. Yes, you if you want to eye makeup tutorial, this will be come next part. I'm doing next part. I prepare next part only for eye makeup, so you can watch it and love it. So tell me what my base, how it it's so much flawless and shiny and dewy finish. Do you know base, guys? You can't believe I'm not using loose powder and compact also. And look at, I'm not using compact also. I'm using only concealer and it's finish. Love it. Just this look makeup without foundation without matte next video. So